and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annalise and winter is officially upon us in Australia and my wardrobe is not prepared. I feel like in summer my wardrobe is perfect. I have so many cute crop tops, cute dresses, but it just went into winter and autumn so suddenly in Brisbane that I am currently freezing with nothing to wear. So in today's video, we are going to just go through my closet and just sort it all out. And then once I see like what I have, what I don't have, I am going to attempt to thrift shop for a new wardrobe because yes, I do see your comments asking me to go thrifting, so we're going to attempt that today. So we're going to kick it off by going through all of my hanging clothes first, and then we're going to go through my wardrobe because I'm running out of space everywhere and I don't really know how because I have not been buying clothes. I am like keeping a really tight budget right now because I have to go to, well, not have to, well, I do have to go to the UK at the end of this year for my cousin's wedding, so I am saving every penny that I have. So I don't know how I've ended up running out of space because I've not bought any new clothes, but plan of attack, so we're gonna go through everything. And basically, if I've not worn it any time within the past year, it's gonna go. So as you'll know, in these sort of videos where I clean out my closet, I give you lots of tea. So the tea I have about this outfit is that Sydney Fashion Week happened recently and I was invited, which was so freaking cool. I've never been invited before, but unfortunately I couldn't go. I got invited a couple of days beforehand, so I kind of think I was a last minute invite, which is totally fine, like just grateful to be invited at all. But I got about 4 days notice, so flights at that point in time to Sydney for Fashion Week were averaging out to be about $700 with hotels being even more, and so unfortunately it killed me to say no, but I had to. I could not spend almost $2,000 to go to Fashion Week when, as I've just said, I'm trying to save to go to the UK at the end of this year. So it just was unfortunately like it killed me to say no, but I had to. But if I did go, this is definitely something. Oh, I have it on inside out. Oopsie. This is something I would have worn though. Maybe next year I'll be invited, or if I get invited to Brisbane Fashion Week, that would be cool. I would definitely wear this with something underneath it. So it's from the brand SD. So this is definitely staying because with a lot of my clothes, like I do end up wearing it eventually, which is kind of why I get timid to get rid of stuff and to reorganize and get like throw everything out because, you know, like what if I want it? What if in like a year's time I want it? So that's why I always am a little cautious, but like things like this can go. Like this hanger, I think there's gonna be a couple of things I'm gonna get rid of. First of all, this blue dress. I have not worn this in a year now. Like this I wore in winter last year, ironically on a boat. I would have been freezing. I actually don't remember being cold though, but it's from Shop Cider, absolutely gorgeous. I've only worn it once, so I will pop this one on my Depop, I think. But I've just not worn it, you know? Same with this dress. This is from Shein. 4 years ago, I have worn the heck out of this. I did wear this to Felons like last year for my friend's birthday, and I looked back on all the pics and I hated this. So yeah, I think that's had its time. Coat hanger's doing well over here though, so might have to get rid of that one. This red dress from White Fox, I lived in it this summer. Oh my god, because most of you guys are American and from the UK, I recommend this dress this summer. It is just perfect with like a pair of black boots or a pair of heels or even a pair of sneakers depending on what you're doing. It's from White Fox. I'll link it down below. Definitely recommend. It just works for everything. Something else that I might get rid of is this pink sparkly dress. I wore it once recently and it just fits a little bit odd around the hips and just looks a little bit off, you know? So it's again one of those things that I wore, I took pics of, and the next day I looked back at it and I was like, that doesn't suit me. Like, why did I wear that? I don't look good. So I think that I might pop this one up on my Etsy because Etsy? Nope, Depop, because this is American. What is wrong with me? This is from Meshki, so it wouldn't have been cheap. I'm holding on to my pink heart White Fox set. I'm still yet to wear this. I bought it last year, I think, but I'm now thinking that the vibe for this outfit is a festival, like a music festival. I think this could be good. So I'm gonna hold on to it. If I do another closet cleanup video and I still have it and I haven't worn it, it'll be time. This one, not me anymore, I think is the best way to describe it. It's just giving a cheap club rat, which is what I was, and that is not a diss to cheap club rat. Long live club rat Annie. Well, no, my body can't handle it anymore, but like club rat Annie adored this dress. She really did. Thought I looked very classy. Didn't. Definitely didn't. So that can go. Honestly, y'all, I used to be the biggest club rat, as you know. And now, like, my friends and I went to Felons on Saturday night, which is like a bar on the water, which we absolutely adore. But we got there at, I think it was like 3:30, home by 11. I was distraught on the Sunday. Like, I had the hangover of all hangovers. I think I'm growing up, y'all, which is so weird. I don't want to grow up. Like, every now and then I'm like, no, I need to go to the clubs. I'm only young once, but I'm kind of over it. Anyway, this Halara dress I'm also over. I lived in this in the summer of 2022, but I didn't wear it all last summer. It's just, I feel like maybe it shrunk. It's a little bit short on me now, so that can go. And we have a free coat hanger. These are rare. These are rare in this closet. Now I know last time I did a closet clean out, I pulled out this like rainbow pride set and I was like, okay, if I don't wear this by next time, I'll get rid of it. But it's Pride Month in a couple of days, so I am going to keep this for now, just in case I do something in Pride Month. I have no plans at all. This Halara dress kills me. It was this beautiful pink like dress that had the shorts underneath. It was long enough on me, so it wasn't too short like that red dress, and I loved it. I put it in the wash once with I shouldn't have done it. I was silly. Pair of black denim shorts, and it just destroyed it. Like the color has completely faded. It's got stains all up the side. So I'm gonna have to say goodbye to this one. I almost cried when I pulled it out. I was so devo because I loved that dress and I only got to wear it once. Also gonna say goodbye to this white fox purple dress. Stunning. Used to wear it all the time, but it's just like that club rat dress, you know. I'm not gonna wear it again, so, and I haven't worn it in quite some time, so it's time to say goodbye. Love ya. Thanks for your service. We had some good nights together. I forgot I owned this. This is stunning. Why have I not worn this? The tag is literally still on it. Another club rat dress that we're gonna get rid of. I'm pretty sure I got this from Temu of all places. It was like good for the time, but goodbye for now. Maybe I put a couple of those dresses together for sale on my Depop, like 3 or 4 of them together for like 20 bucks. Because like if you go clubbing all the time, they're great dresses. And when I say club rat, this is not a diss. My God, club rats keep the economy going. And I feel like as a retired club rat, it's only right that I pass it on to the next generation. This Halara dress I forgot I owned. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna keep it. I didn't wear it this summer, but mainly because I forgot about it. Okay, and that is this side done. We are actually purging through quite a few items, and I didn't expect that. I really didn't think I'd be getting rid of quite as many things. So let's keep going. This red dress I haven't worn yet, but I'm gonna hold on to, I think. I feel like the time is coming for this and I don't want to get rid of it just yet, despite having not worn it. Something I will get rid of though, I think. Let me try it on, but it's this big pink coat. So I got it from Meshki, again, several years ago, and I don't think it's ever left the house. It's kind of iconic. It's like, I kind of like it. It is very, wow, it's very warm. It's very iconic and I've not worn this yet. So the reason I always like don't reach for it is because the collar is a little bit weird and it folds in. So I've always been like, oh my God, it's covering up the outfit, but maybe that would be kind of cute. I'm gonna hold on to it because I really didn't expect to love it as much when I put it on. I was really feeling myself. So it's gonna stay for a little longer even though I haven't worn it. But something I will get rid of is this Guess white denim jacket. It's cute. I just prefer to have my jackets oversized. It's just an oversized girly and this fits me a little too snugly. Yeah, like it's gorgeous, stunning, but it just is a little too tight. So I might pop this one up. Well, not tight, it fits well, like, and I just prefer oversized. So I might pop this one up on my Depop. Everything on this rack can go. This is from my Pinterest Halloween video that I posted. All of these items I'm never going to wear again. They also were very poor quality. Like this was meant to be a vest, and instead of sending a vest, they sent a bit of fabric with a vest drawn on top of it. See, like this jacket I recently wore to the footy and I've not worn it in like 3 years, but I'm glad I kept it because it was such a slay outfit, if I do say so myself, and I loved it. So that's why I'm always like, a little cautious on throwing out things that are kind of classic. That's what it is. Like if it's a party girl Shein dress, probably not gonna keep it because like it doesn't last well. But like classic stuff, I'm gonna keep because eventually time will come around and I'll want it. And my version of classic is a little bit different because like that pink fur coat, I'd consider classic. Another clubbing dress is we're gonna say goodbye to this one. It was, again, iconic. Somehow I would wear this out to the beat, which is the gay club in Brisbane, come home and it would still be completely white and not covered in drinks. So had a lot of fun in this dress. It was iconic at the time, but I'm gonna say goodbye. This top I'm also gonna say goodbye to because I've never worn it. I tell you guys that I'm seeing someone, I don't know if I have on YouTube, for my birthday, she bought me an Elite 11 hoodie and a shirt because I was always complaining that I didn't have any long shirts. Everything I have are crop tops, and she listened and she got me these. They're so cute and I'm obsessed. If they keep going as well as they are going, y'all will meet her soon. That is everything in my closet. Oh, I wanted to organize it, didn't I? Okay, so this is now completely organized and I love it, and it's just gonna make my life so much easier. I just now have to stick to it when I come in with washing. But I ended up moving a couple of things. So I got rid of all the essentials and put them on the other end just because I had a lot more winter jackets, honestly, than I realized. So we have, first of all, my scarf, and then all of my hoodies that morphs into my sweaters, that morphs into my comfy jackets, that morphs into my denim jackets, then like just any other jackets I have before going into my trench coats, my blazers, and my leather collection, which is literally 2 items, but my leather items, and then any other like miscellaneous long sleeve tops that I have. Oh goodness. And then lucky last right at the back here are just any pants that I have hanging up. So now I'm gonna do the same and organize this part of my closet. So this is all my summer stuff, so not something I'm gonna be wearing for quite a while, until at least like September, which makes me so sad because summer's my favorite. But this is what it looks like before, super messy and unorganized. That is this all organized. Now that my wardrobe is all clean and looking so fabulous, I'm gonna go to the thrift shops and try and find some cute clothes. So I always get requests to do thrift shopping videos. The reason I don't isn't because I'm against thrifting, it's just because like where I live, the thrift shops aren't very good. Like whenever I watch people online that go thrifting, they find so many cute things. All I can ever find when I go thrifting is like old ladies' clothes from Miller's, and as much as like I wish I could wear those, it's not what I'm looking for, and I'm not wanting to just buy clothes that I'm never gonna wear, you know? But we are going in with a positive attitude to see what we can find. Okay, time to go thrift shopping, but I want to show you guys my outfit of the day first. So this sweater is from Fashion Nova. It's several years old. These jeans are from Shopsider. I always get questions about them because they have the gorgeous little hearts on them. Shopsider, and then my sneakers are Nike. So this is my cute little fit. So let's go. I just got to the first stop, which is Lifeline. So I saw as I was driving in that they have a sale on dresses. So I need to not look at the dresses because what we are manifesting is a cute winter wardrobe. I'm manifesting like maybe some cute knits or a sweater or a jacket or jeans, something like that that's cute, will keep me warm, is in my size, and is not expensive. I've also in the past fallen guilty to like the thrifting curse, where I've been looking at stuff for so long that I don't like, that when I see something that's like okay, I end up buying it, even though like normally it's not something I'd wear, it's not something I like, it's not the vibe. So that is why I'm pretty firm on going in with only wanting winter clothes, and only if they're cute, fit me, and in my style. I know a lot of prerequisites for thrifting, which is literally like a lucky dip or a treasure hunt, but we are going to go in with our fingers crossed and see what we can find. So I was actually really impressed with this thrift store. They had so many cute items, and as I was going through, there was lots of stuff that was like cute, but I didn't necessarily need, you know, and I didn't want to end up with stuff I didn't need. Like this gorgeous chandelier skirt I thought was so funky and cool, but then I made the mistake, you guys. I went through the dresses and I found this. It was just so cute. Like how could I not go home with it? It was too cute to leave there. So even though I said I wasn't going to get a dress, I think we all knew I was going to. We're having a lunch break. So I know that I went into Lifeline being like, oh my God, I'm not going to even look at the dresses. That's just silly. I am here for winter stuff. Oh, only. I looked at the dresses and I actually left with only one dress. It's so cute though. Okay, sorry. Oh, let me close my markers. I don't want to get this in my markers. It's this beautiful like polka dot dress and it was only $10. How could I not? How could I not? It's from Pretty Little Thing and the tag is like attached. Don't know if you could call that attached considering like how destroyed it is, but I was like, I can't not get that. So they didn't actually have much. Oh, that's not true. They had a lot there, but it was expensive. It was all like not designer, but like Forever New, and they knew the price, they knew how much it was worth, so it was all like $80. I'm like, okay, well, the whole point in me doing this is that I'm trying to buy things that are cheaper so that I can save money. Also, if you've ever wondered what a celiac order from McDonald's looks like, this is it. I get a quarter pounder meal like with chippies and no bun. Everyone always makes fun of me for it. All right, we've just pulled up to stop number 2. I'm banning myself from even looking at the dresses or the skirts because I don't need to end up going home with like multiple dresses, you know. So we are going to manifest some denim jackets, maybe a like faux leather jacket, any sort of jeans, anything like that. Let's do it. Knit sweaters are always a staple in my winter wardrobe, so I was so incredibly happy when I came across this. Look at how cute. We've had another success. Oh, Mac, please. I got this gorgeous knit sweater. What brand is it? Mix. I don't know what brand that is, but super cute, like green knit sweater. It's like a mint green, so girly and gorgeous. It said on here that it was $7, but it was half price today, so it was $3.50. What do you mean? So beautiful. Like, I love this. And as I was checking out, an older lady came up to me and she's like, that's such a beautiful color and it's gonna look even more beautiful on you. And I was like, stop it right now or I'll cry. So I love that. Thrifting is so worth it. I see what you guys have been saying. Okay, so in the end, I ended up with only 2 items from the op shop / thrift shop, but that's okay with me because these are both like gorgeous items that I'm gonna get a lot of wear out. So let's try them on. And this is the cute green sweater on. I am obsessed with this. So this is the front and this is the back. So only $3.50 for like a brand new sweater. So I always just like fold this bottom bit up, but I might even like tuck it into my jeans when I wear it. I cannot believe how cheap it is, and it's so girly and gorgeous. Like, it's something that I'm genuinely going to wear. As you guys saw, the pink sweater I was wearing earlier, I have worn that for years, and this is very similar, just in a different color. So I am absolutely obsessed. So I know I like didn't go out looking for a dress, and it even said in the vlog like I'm not even gonna look in the dress section, but I'm so glad that I did, because for $10 this is stunning. I mean, this is stunning for like $100, honestly. It's so unique. I love the little ruffles and how it's all standing out. So I'm unsure with the sleeves how you're meant to wear this, if it's meant to be worn up like this or down like I just had it. I kind of prefer how it looks though down like this. Just adds another little layer to the quirkiness of it, and I'm obsessed. I'm honestly so impressed with those 2 items that I thrifted. I know it wasn't heaps and I know it wasn't like a whole wardrobe, but honestly 2 is better than none, and I am so stoked. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because I upload new videos every single week, sometimes twice a week. And also, whilst you are there, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, where else am I? TikTok, obviously, that's the main one. Because if I'm not posting on YouTube, that is where I'm posting. I post like every day on those platforms. I love you guys so, so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.